Vocabulary Challenge, Back to School Edition. Hey everybody, before we get started, I just want to give a shout out to our friends at Lingua Studies for giving us the brilliant idea for this vocabulary challenge. So definitely check them out and follow them. All right, so you know the drill. I will show you something related to school or classroom, and you guess the vocabulary, and then I will give you the correct word. All right, let's do this. Whiteboard or dry erase board. Dry erase marker. Stapler. Staples. Scissors. Laptop computer or laptop. Paper clips. Printer. Bonus round. Binder clip. Staple remover. Paper cutter. How did you do? Let us know in the comments, and if you have ideas for other vocabulary challenges, let us know those as well. All right, we'll see you next time.